Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making skillet green beans. This is a fantastic and easy side dish and it's loaded with flavor. We're using fresh green beans, some herbs and garlic. We're going to have it done in about, 10 minutes. It's really that simple. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of fresh green beans that have been trimmed, some salt and pepper, some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. We're going to start by heating up our 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a very large skillet. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our green beans into the pan. We're going to saute these up for about 5 to 7 minutes. Our green beans are starting to slightly blister. They're taking on a beautiful color. We're going to add our pepper, our salt, our garlic, and our thyme. We're going to stir this up and we're going to let it cook for about 30 seconds or until you can really smell the garlic. Once you smell that garlic, we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of water. We're going to put a lid on our green beans. And we're going to let these cook for about another 2 minutes till they soften up. And just like that, our green beans are done. Let's head over to the cutting board. Now there are several different ways to plate this. You can just leave them in the skillet. They're all called skillet green beans. I'm going to plate them up on a big plate, family style. Just going to scoop them out into a nice big old round plate. I'm going to pile this nice and high. Make sure we get all that delicious garlic and the herbs. I got a runaway over here. I'll grab that one. Just like that. You can garnish this with some fresh thyme, maybe some toasted almonds. This is a fantastic side dish. Let's get a taste. All right, let's dig in. So good. I love fresh green beans. And again, I love any fresh fruits and vegetables. They're perfectly cooked. The outside is slightly blistered. It adds a nice little char taste to it. The garlic adds a nice element to it as well. They're perfectly seasoned. This is a fantastic side dish on those nights that you want something fresh and delicious, but really don't have the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. So hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel as well. I'll drop a link in that description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.